1. Spray the cleaner or shampoo at the top of one side, and give it a few seconds to run down to the bottom. 2. Scrub where you sprayed the cleaner, shampoo, and down to the flat. Scrub hard, until it looks clean. Let it sit for a while. 3. Rinse with hot water after a few minutes. Once you get back to where you started, run hot water over the sides again. 4. Run your hands around the tub. If you feel any roughness, scrub there some more, because it's not clean yet. 5. Spray and scrub the splash guard around the tub. The buildup will be a lot lighter here, but it still needs to be cleaned. 6. Clean the door. If you have a curtain instead of a door, it needs to be washed too. 7. Spray and scrub the tap, shower head, and anything else you haven't washed. Soap dish, towel rack. It all needs to be done. 8. Run hot water over everything. Twice. You don't want to leave residue. 9. Check the bottom of the tub. If you've got a puddle of dirty water, then unclog the drain. And run clean hot water over the bottom once it's drained. 10. Wash the outside of the tub. You probably won't need the cleaner there, just a little elbow grease.